We'll do the question number 4 now. 30 women were examined in a hospital by a doctor, and the number of heartbeats per minute were recorded. Okay, in per minute, the how much the heartbeats were recorded and summarized as follows: find the mean heartbeat, average heartbeat per minutes. In per minute, in a minutes, how much time the heart beats. For this woman, choosing a suitable methods. Number of heartbeats, this is the class interval. This is the number of women. Okay, we are going to calculate this one by only assuming methods and step deviation method, because if I calculate in direct method there will be too much calculative, so we have to avoid the calculative. Okay, we have to use the smart way of solving the problem. Okay, so how we can find out the mid value? As we know that the mid value, how we get the mid value? Mid value formula, as we know, lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to calculate this one. 60 65 here we can calculate, right? Yeah, 65 here, 65 plus 68, what we will get if I plus 8 plus 5, 8 plus 5, it is our 13, 1 carry, 6 plus 6, 12, 13. If I divide by 2, what I will get here? 133 divided by 2, 2 6 12, 1 3, 2 6 12, 1. So we have to give a decimal, 0, 2 5 10. Okay, so we have got 66.5. so here we have got this. After calculating, we got here 66.5. okay, again we have to add 68 plus 71. Let's see what we get. Here you see 68 plus 71, 8 plus 1 9, 6 plus 7, it will be 13 divided by 2, 2 6 12, 1, 2 9 18, 1 1 2 5 10. Okay, so we got 69.5, 69.5. okay, I've shown you here also. I'm showing you here 71 divided by 2, it also 65 plus 68 divided by 2. So we have got this value. Okay, you see, it's very tedious to calculate. Okay, each and every mid value, it will be a wastage of time again and again. So what is the difference you got over here? 66 and 69. What is the difference you will get over here? You see, what will be the difference here? 69.5, 66.5. if you minus, what you will get? 0, get 3 and 0, it means gap is 3, right? What you have to do, you have to just add the 3 value in each of these. Okay, if you add 3, what will the gap is 3, right? The gap is 3. If you add 3, what you will get over here? 70, 72.5, again 75.5, 78.5, 81.5 and 84.5. okay, we are going to do the assuming method, that di is equal to x minus a. Di is equal to x, di is x minus a. Now we will have to take the assuming from this value, right? You see here there is a tree value and there is a tree value. Downward there is a tree value. We can say take the middle value as this one, a. It will be here 0, as we know that this is the value of xi, and particular number I have taken as assuming is 75.5. so if you minus this with this you will get 0, and as you know that the gap is 3, right? The gap is 3 between this number. So what you have to, after calculating, you will get here minus 3 minus 6 minus 9, okay, because it will keep on increasing 3 3 3, okay. Down upside there will be negative and downside there will be positive. Positive will be 3 6 and 9, okay. Now there will be, now we will multiply this value and this value, fi and di. If I multiply this 2, this is a frequency, 2 nines 18, 6 fours 24, 3 threes 9, 0, 7 threes 21, 4 6 24, 2 nines 18. After calculating, let's see what we get. 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 9 21, 2 carry 3 4 5 minus, then 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 8, 5 plus 8, it will be here 13, 1 carry 3 4 5 6, okay. Now sigma fi di, if I minus 3 minus 1 it will be here 2, okay. 6 minus 5 it will be 1, so I will get here positive 12. If I plus this one sigma fi, if I calculate I will get here 30, okay. See here 12, we have got here 12. Now we'll apply the formula by using formula mean xi is equal to x dash a plus sigma fi di sigma fi. So as we know, the assuming, what we have taken, the assuming is our 75.5 plus sigma fi di is our 12, we have calculated already, and sigma fi is our 30. We can cancel this by 6 2 is 12, 6 5 is 30. 75.5, if I calculate this one, let's see what we get. 5 we cannot divide, so we'll give a decimal. 0 5 4 is 20, so 0.4. if you plus here 75.5, 0.4, you will get here 75.9, so answer is a 75.9, okay. This is the answer. This same question, this step deviations, okay. So number of heartbeats, number of omens, and we have to find out the mid value. As you know, how we can find out the mid value? This is our lower limit, this is our upper limit. 65 plus 68 divided by 2, we will get 66.5. Again 68 plus 71 divided by 2 will get 69.5, okay. If you calculate, you will get the value, okay. Then you see what is the gap between this number, it's 3, so you keep adding 3 because the gap is 3, keep adding 3, what you will get here 72.5, here 75.5, 78.5, 81.5, here 81.5 and 84.5. This is the mid value. Okay, no need to calculate the mid value again and again. Now we are going to do show state deviation method, right? This is the state deviation method. So what you have to give it, di dash is equal to xi minus a divided by h. H, we know that class size. Okay, h is a class size. So if I take the assuming this one a, here it will be 0. Okay, simply you write in upward -1, -2, -3. Okay, this one will be 1, 2, 3. You, okay, no need to calculate again and again in step deviation method. That is the reason the step deviation is a very easy methods in mean to calculate the mean. Okay, now if you have to multiply this d dash with fi. So if you multiply, what you will get, f di dash, 2 6 12, 4 2 8, 3 1 3, 3 1 3 minus 3, 8 0 0, 7 1 7, 4 2 8, 2 3 6. So 6 plus 8, 6 plus 8, 14, 14 plus 3, 14 plus 3, 17, 17 7, yeah, minus 17, right? Minus 17, 8 plus 7, 15, 15 plus 8, 15 plus 8 it will be 15 plus 6, right? 15 plus 6 it will be 21. It will be sigma f, sigma f FIDI, na? It will be sigma FIDI. Okay, sigma, no, it will be FIDI dash. Okay, so FIDI dash value, this is 7, 21 minus 20 plus 21 and minus 17. What we will get here, positive 4, right? 4, you will get here 4. Okay, here sigma f fi, it will be here, the total value will be here, it will be here 30. Okay, this we got sigma fi is equal to 30 and sigma fi d dash is 40. Okay, we'll use the formula now. By using formula, mean a plus sigma FIDI dash into h, this is the class size. Okay, and this is a sigma fi. What is our a? What is our a? A is our 75.5 plus sigma FIDI dash we have calculated already, it is 4. Sigma fi is our 30 into what is the class size gap is our 3, right? We can cancel this, 3 tens 75.5 plus, if you divide this at 10, yeah, there is a 1 0, you have to take one digit on the left hand side, there will be 1.4. if you calculate 75.9, this is our answer. Okay.